This video is a second part of my assignment for the subject Analysis and Design of Algorithms. So here I will discuss some solutions to the questions from the second internal test. First, we will discuss set A. So the question is, what is an algorithm? The answer is a set of instructions to perform a task. Second, which notation is commonly used to represent the time complexity of an algorithm? The answer is D, all of the above. Third, what is the purpose of analyzing algorithms? The answer is B, to optimize their performance. Fourth, which of the following is an example of a dynamic programming problem? The answer is A, longest common subsequence. Fifth, which of the following is an example of a graph algorithm? The answer is C, depth first search. Sixth, what is the time complexity of binary search? The answer is D, order of log n. Seventh, what is the time complexity of merge sort? The answer is D, order of n log n. Eighth, what is the time complexity of quick sort in the worst case? The answer is D, order of n to the power 2. Ninth, which of the following is an example of a divide and conquer algorithm? The answer is A, binary search. 10th, what is the divide and conquer strategy? The answer is A, breaking a problem down into smaller sub-problems and solving each sub-problem recursively. 11th, which of the following is an example of a greedy algorithm? The answer is C, Huffman coding. 12th, what is the time complexity of Huffman coding? The answer is D, order of n log n. 13th, which of the following is an example of a dynamic programming problem? The answer is B, matrix chain multiplication. 14th, what is the time complexity of breadth first search? The answer is A, order of n. 15th, which of the following is an example of a graph algorithm? The answer is C, breadth first search. 16th, which notation is commonly used to represent the space complexity of an algorithm? The answer is D, order of 1. 17th, which of the following is an example of a divide and conquer algorithm? The answer is B, minimum spanning tree. 18th, what is the time complexity of matrix chain multiplication? The answer is D, order of n to the power 3. 19th, which of the following is an example of a greedy algorithm? The answer is B, minimum spanning tree. 20. What is the time complexity of binary search in the worst case? The answer is D, order of log n. And here is the all answers to their questions. Second, we will discuss set B. The first question is, dash is the process of finding the solution to a problem step by step. The answer is iteration. Second, the time complexity of an algorithm is denoted by, the answer is big omega notation. Third, dash is an example of a dynamic programming problem. The answer is longest common subsequences. Fourth, in the dash approach, a problem is divided into smaller subproblems and solved recursively. The answer is divide and conquer. Fifth, the dash algorithm finds the shortest path between two nodes in a graph. The answer is Dikshat's algorithm. Sixth, the dash algorithm is used to traverse a graph in a depth first manner. The answer is depth first search. Seventh, the dash algorithm is used to traverse a graph in a breadth first manner. The answer is breadth first search. Eighth, the time complexity of binary search is order of log n. Ninth, the time complexity of merge sort is order of n log n. 10th, the time complexity of quick sort is order of n log n. 11th, in the dash algorithm, the input sequence is divided into two parts and the search is continued in the part where the key may be found. The answer is binary search. 12th, dash is a type of algorithm that always select the best possible choice at each step. The answer is greedy algorithm. 13th, dash is a coding technique used to compress data without losing any information. The answer is Huffman coding. 14th, dash is an algorithm that finds the minimum weight spanning tree of a graph. The answer is minimum spanning tree. 15th, the time complexity of the Huffman coding algorithm is, the answer is order of n log n. 16th, the time complexity of the minimum spanning tree algorithm is, the answer is order of m log n. 17th, the time complexity of the longest common subsequence problem is, the answer is order of mn. 18th, the time complexity of the matrix chain multiplication problem is, the answer is order of n to the power 3. 19th, the notation used to describe the upper bound on the running time of an algorithm is, the answer is big omega notation. 20. The notation used to describe the lower bound on the running time of an algorithm is omega notation. Next question is the match the column, and here is the all answers to the match the columns. Thank you.